Welcome to the Afterspin. Opinions from thought leaders in our state. Brad Crone, during the recent election, some voters received messages effectively trying to shame them into voting, saying that records will show whether or not they actually went to the polls and voted. What do you think of that?
Well, it's real questionable tactic, and I think you have to ask the question, was it successful in its efforts? We did have record turnout. It started, Hal Malchow on the Democratic side started using it in 2008, I think, when he was working with President Obama. And the Democrats have used it. I think Republicans have used it. I don't see it as an effective tool to really motivate people. I think it somewhat scares older voters into the fact that they're not aware that people have access to that type of public information. As a professional in the business, I do not use it simply because I think it's somewhat intrusive into voters' privacy. And I think you have to respect that line and try not to cross it.
Well, thank you for watching the Afterspin. More video all during the week on ncspin.com.